Hello, in this video I want to show you how to build in Lego Fortnite. And to do this, first you will need to click on Q, then you will see all of the buildings that are available for you. You can unlock more by just playing a game and gathering more resources. In this example we have a campfire, and on the right you can see what ingredients we'll need to build it. In this case, again, we need to gather 3 wood. So I'm not sure if we can gather. Okay, there it is. So let's collect 3 wood. Click on Q, then select whichever building you want to place and just place it in the world. You can also change between snap mode by holding your right mouse button, rotate it with your scroll wheel. You can also nudge the item with the direction keys on your keyboard, arrow up, arrow down, arrow left and arrow right. Or if you want to cancel placing a building, click on escape. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.